What's up everyone, this is Masa Shibata from Tokyo, Japan. How you guys doing? For those of you who've been watching my vlogs since season 1, I'm just calling this season 1 when I used to live in Bangkok, Thailand, and season 2 after I returned to Japan. And season 2, I am planning to keep this as a consistent thing and ongoing, and I am trying to grow my channel by sharing my life here in Japan, sharing some of the interesting things here in Tokyo, anything that's related to Japan. But since season 1, I sometimes have uploaded vlogs where I just share my daily life and what's going on, things that I bought, the groceries and things like that. So in this episode, it's gonna be after 6 days in the life of a Japanese businessman in Tokyo. So I'm gonna start with groceries. I'm just gonna keep on talking to the camera while I get my groceries out. I'll be cooking myself some dinner tonight. My girlfriend is back to her hometown and I'm alone, so I'm just gonna make some food for myself. Okay, let's introduce the groceries that I got. First of all, natto. Compared to Bangkok, natto is fresh. I have lots of choices of natto, so it's really helping me here. I bought a big bowl of salad, some chives, because I'll be cooking pork kimchi for dinner tonight. So of course I've got pork, and I'm gonna use it up tonight, so it's gotten a little bit cheaper, 275 yen. And of course I have the kimchi here. Now, there are so many types of kimchis that you can get in Japan, in Tokyo. Next, I got some mozuku. I want to have some refreshing things to eat. Got some oranges. I've got some rockets. Yakult 1000. You guys know this? Yakult? I seriously don't have the vocabulary to explain the Yakult. It's good for your intestines. It's like a probiotic. Is that the right word? A probiotics drink. It activates good things in your intestines. Oh, I also have rakkyo. You know? Rakkyo is... This is another thing that I have no idea how to explain. Well, it really goes well with curry rice, Japanese curry rice, and I myself like to have this on its own. It's a good appetizer that goes well with beer. I have some drinks, jelly drinks. What do you call these? Hi Alfie, do you want to increase your focus? Because this one is for increasing focus, and this one is for relieving your... when you're exhausted, this will help you. And I've got 2 ice cream, both from the same company. It's called Mo, made by Morinaga. This one is Mo Prime Caramel Cinnamon Cookie and Honey Milk. The other one is Cookies and Cream. And it's already melting, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Alright, let's get cooking. Just gonna leave all the things out that I am gonna use tonight. Ready? Let's get my aprons off. And I have my natto and the mozuku. Mozuku are basically seaweeds. And I also added egg yolk to my kimchi pork. And I also have rice. Yeah, alright. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu. I consider this a drink. Cheers. So fresh. Alright, let's try the pork kimchi. Looking delicious. Break that egg yolk. Ooh, yeah. And rice. I forgot one of my must-haves. I put it in the freezer just to have that extra coldness to it. I also put my glass in the freezer too. Ah, yeah. This is just a little bit of extra happiness. Beautiful. Cheers. It goes really well with pork kimchi. Mmm. Why are you sitting there, Alfie? Alright, Alfie. Okay. Now it's time for my own dessert. Let's have the ice cream that I just got. But before ice cream, I'm gonna... Oh man. I'm gonna do the dishes. Look at this. It's a horrifying view. Done. Now it's ice cream time. I'm gonna go with the cookies and cream. Let's use this cat ice cream spoon that I shared with you in my other video. Alrighty. Whoa. It really has a lot of cookie crumbles on the top. Let's give it a go. Ooh, I like this. I actually like this a lot.